It's such a great thing to chill with friends, have a slice of pizza, beer, or just a chill glass of wine. That's all possible with the help of some invisible friends. Life could not exist without microorganisms. Though we know that some of these microorganisms do cause diseases, ranging from the common cold to more serious diseases such as malaria and AIDS. But they're actually really important for many of our lifestyle practices and ultimately our survival. So, can you really imagine a life without these invisible friends? Microorganisms are also known as microbes, and they cannot be seen without a microscope. So we ask the question then, how can such a small thing have such huge impact? Let's explore. Microbes help plants obtain the nitrogen they need for survival and development. Cows and sheep need microbes to pretty much help them digest the cellulose in their plant-based diets since they're herbivores. Microbes are also useful to our ecosystem as they help to degrade waste, enrich the soil, and simply support life. In the medical arena, they are used in the development of vaccines and antibiotics. While in the food industry, they contribute to the making of wine, cheese, and much more. The human body, yes, our body, is home to billions of microorganisms as they help to keep us healthy. They're grouped into 6 categories: fungi, protozoa, algae, bacteria, archaea, and viruses. Let's start with fungi. Fungi are not like plants that make their own food, though we enjoy them on our pizza and salads. Yes, we said microbes are not able to be seen with the naked eye, but mushrooms are an exception. But other types of fungi, such as molds and yeast, they're too tiny to be seen with the naked eye. They can be multicellular or unicellular. These microbes are significant in the production of food, and they're also important in the environment during decomposition. Fungi can also be infectious. They cause yeast infection and athlete's foot, for example. Protozoa, on the other hand, are unicellular organisms that require moist environments such as ponds and lakes and streams and oceans, but they can also be found in animal hosts where they cause diseases. They're motile by means of cilia, flagella, and or pseudopodia, and pretty much form the basis of the aquatic food chains. Algae, they're capable of making their own food like plants, and in the process, they release oxygen in the environment. There are a few that are single-celled, and there are others that are multicellular. Well, guess what? They're also categorized based on their pigmentation and the composition of their cell walls. Algae, they're used in many of our cosmetic products such as lipstick, toothpaste, and even food like ice cream and salad dressing. Bacteria and archaea, they're prokaryotic, which simply means that they lack a nucleus. Bacteria can be found almost everywhere. But when we hear the word bacteria though, we start to think of all the bad things due to them having a poor reputation in our world. But the truth is, the vast majority of bacteria are actually not disease agents. They don't cause diseases. They're beneficial to us in many ways. That includes fixing nitrogen for plants, creating biogas, recycling nutrients into the air, water, and soil, breaking down dead and decaying matter so that we would not be buried under petrified corpses of uncountable dead organisms. Viruses, they cause diseases. They range from the common cold, influenza, herpes, SARS, just to name a few. So when we actually hear the word viruses, we start to cringe because it has caused so many deaths. Viruses are minuscule acellular infectious agents that can invade living organisms. They take control of the cell's metabolic machinery, make more of themselves, and then destroy the organism. Though viruses are known to be dangerous, scientists have actually put them to some good use, such as destroying disease-causing bacteria. So there we have it. So it's fair to say that we cannot survive without these microbes, as they provide food, better health, oxygen, and simply get rid of waste. Thank you for listening.